Hello everyone, this is Stephen with SG Saber Design, back again with another Saberbay Imperialist. This is not just Saberbay again, it's Saberbay, I think 5280 Concepts and I want to say Kessel Customs. But this one, the difference between this one and the one I did last time is this one is the polished aluminum version, and the special thing on this one, behind the door here, we have printed brass crystal chamber that turned out absolutely beautiful. Okay, so like before, we got our two buttons. On this one, power button is up here and aux is right here. We do have our lit sight, or whatever you want to call it. Got a stock V4 emitter PCB here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chassis. This is the same chassis that I used before. We have a Profi 3.9. Got our room for our battery. This one's just an unprotected 18650, but you can see there's plenty of room for a protected cell. Mine just is not working right now. Kill switch. Got a Smuggler's Outpost, dark side 28mm speaker in here, and 18 pixel ring. And that pretty well sums up what's visible. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Now this one's for Jason. He requested, I've got mostly grayscale, and I've got a number of J. DeLorean fonts as well. Okay, so with that on, we've got a heartbeat on the tip up here. We've got our aux button is kind of pulsing. Our crystal is doing a heartbeat. While these are separate, these are wired separate blades, but I do have identical blade styles for both the crystal and this tip light here. For all of the fonts I've got on here. This has a total of 5 blades. So you've got your main blade up here is number 1, number 2 is your crystal, number 3 is this tip, number 4 is the pixel switch here, and number 5 is your 18 pixel ring that you can see swirling in there. So a bit of programming if you want to add stuff, but I've got examples on there for different things. So like I said, this one, the power button is right here. So you see that goes into a flicker. So this is that one, and then we've got a kind of an unstable flicker down here in the pommel. This is very loud, but so I do have it turned down. So
enter volume menu. Maximum volume. Exit volume menu.
Okay. You can see we've got.
This is the way. I need a weapon.
Locked in.
Only a Sith deal in absolute.
Mercenary.
So let me go ahead and put in a blade. Once again, I've got my test blade, and I've been having a lot of problems with it, but I'll give it a shot. Got your blade plug that comes with it. It's gorgeous piece of brass. Does have acrylic on the bottom, so you can let that rest on your pins, no problem. Put that in there. Of course, we do have twist on, twist off. So as you can see, this one does have the serial number on it. And this one is number 9 of the 100 that they made. So we've got a lot of sound fonts in here. These are all grayscales, free ones. Some really good stuff. Now this one, you can see I've got a green crystal right now, because this blade will slowly transfer between green and blue. So I just picked green and let's see. This is a J. DeLorean one. I believe this one is White Kyber. I just really like this one for this saber. It kind of feels very like if the Stormtrooper's had, you know, lightsabers. I can see them with a white blade. I know that doesn't fit canon, but that's just what I would see. So that's going through those. Now to add and remove your blade, you do need this is a 1.5 hex. This just slide in there. And you've got a good, let's see, it's about 2 inches of blade depth in there, so it's going to hold the blade really good. And it's pretty solid around there. So, Jason, if you have any questions, anything you want changed, please let me know. At the moment on this one, I have all 6 magnets in the hilt, but on here I only have 2. I noticed with mine I did the 4 corners, and it is very difficult to remove. This, I think, is going to hold there fine, unless maybe you're hitting it a lot, but it is a lot easier to remove than the one with 4. So, obviously the magnets will be in your kit when you get it, so if you want to add more later, that is up to you. You can see that the kill switch. We'll turn it off. You can get a 90-degree data cable in here very easily. Getting the SD card out of these, I mean, it's possible. It's tricky. Just tweezers don't work that well for me, but needle nose pliers around the edges and they'll slide right out, no problem. Your config and the OS that I used to compile this is all on the card, ready for you if you want to make changes. And once again, let me mention that this crystal chamber and the chassis greebly work. The design, the external greeblies were all done by Mark Ryan. I did the chassis itself. If anyone else wants one of these done, please contact me and we'll get you set up. If you want the brass chamber, that's going to take an extra about 2 weeks, I believe. So, but yeah, it's a great saber. Stoked to have done another one, and I think I've actually got a third one on its way right now. So we'll have that one up shortly. Everyone have a great day, and may the force be with you.